This could be the car for you. The 2023 Honda HR-V. Prepare to be amazed at the clever cargo solutions, agile handling, safety technology, and bold style of this HR-V. This practical, comfortable mini crossover was designed with your active lifestyle in mind. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seat, alarm, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, rear spoiler. This Honda HR-V is the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and cleverness. Come in for a test drive experience and take a closer look.